Hello everyone. Now I am going to solve the problem of the latest contest 1017 Codeforces Round Division 4. Problem number D, Tung Tung Sahur. The problem statement says that you have two drums in front of you, a left drum and a right drum. A hit on the left can be recorded as L and a hit on the right as R. The strange force that rule this word are fickle. Sometimes a blow sound once and sometimes it sounds twice. Therefore, a hit on the left drum could have sounded as either L or LL, and a hit on the right drum could have sounded as either R or double R. The sequence of hits made is recorded in a string P and the sound heard are in the string S. Given P and S, determine whether it's true that the string S could have been the result of hits from the string P. It means, for example, if P equals to LR, then the result of the hits could be any of the string LR, LRR, LLR or LLRR, but cannot be LLLR or any other option. The inputs, the first line contains an integer t, number of test cases. The first line of each test case contains string p and the second line contains string s. Output for each set of input data. Output yes if s can be heard sound and no otherwise, you may output in any case. It means lowercase, uppercase, doesn't matter. But yes if you heard, no if you don't heard. Now what we can do? Basically, L can be sounded in LL, R can be sounded in double R, but L cannot be sounded like LLL. This is totally wrong. Or R cannot be sounded like RRR or any other. Now, this is one case, and another case is LLL cannot sound like LL or only L or nothing or R, etc. These two cases are totally wrong and these two are fine. Now we have to check this test case, and we are traversing the test case till we find similar character letters like L L L L and R R R R. So we are traversing from 0th index to the 4th index. It means we will traverse 1 2 3 4 5 L, and in the second string we will traverse 4L L L L L, but we are seeing that here 5L 5L, but 5L, and here we can see 4L only. Now this is the string P. This is the string P and the second string is S. We have to print yes if we can hide string P into S, but not S into P. So 5L 5L can be converted into 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10L, but the 4L cannot be converted into 5L, means reverse back. So output for this is no. Now taking the second test case. In the second test case, we are traversing from 0th index and till we find the similar characters. So for this, we are traversing L from the first string and from the second string double L. L can be converted into double L. It means we have to traverse further. This is the second iteration is R and R. R in the first string and R in the second string. Now R are similar. Yes. Now we have to traverse further iteration L from the first string and L from the second string. Yeah, it's matching. Now the fourth iteration. In the fourth iteration, R from the first string and double R from the second string. Here we can see R can be converted into double R. So yeah, at the end, the value of the indexes in the first string is the length of the first string. Suppose it's n1, and in the second string it's n2. It means we have completely traversed both strings, and we are not able to find any mismatching between the string. So the output for this is yes. Output for this is yes. Now I am going to explain the code. This is the code for the given problem. Here we are taking input for test cases, number of test cases, and traversing this. For each test case we are taking inputs as s1 and s2 and calling the function solve. If the solve function is returning true, then printing yes, and if the solve function is not returning true, it means returning false, then we are printing no. uh, Inside the solve function we are traversing the s1 and s2, and n1 and n2 is the size of string s1 and string s2. Here we are traversing till the index I and j are less than the size of strings. If we find anywhere between the string where the character or element present at the ith index is not equals to the element present at the jth index in the second string, then we simply return false. It means we find that L in first string or R in a second string or we can find R in the first string or L in the second string. This is mismatching, so we are returning false. Now storing character present at ith index in the first string in the ch, and taking two counts for counting the how many same elements are in the string s1 and in the string s2 till the index of I and j. By this for loop, we are counting the similar characters present in the first string till the ith index, and in the second loop for second string. Now, this is the main part of this code. Here we are checking two conditions. If my count 1, it means a number of same elements count in the string 1 can be converted into double of that count. It means I have counted 3L. These 3L can be converted into 6L maximum. If I am not able to convert this into 6L, means 2 into count 1 is less than count 2, then it is failing condition. Or if I find count 2 less than count 1, it means number of similar element in the second string more than the number of similar elements in the string 1, then this is also a fails condition. So in these two conditions we are simply returning false. Otherwise at the end we are checking that if I am completed with the string 1 or and completed with the string 2, then simply we will return true. This is the whole code.